Hello everyone and welcome to our practice video for the unit circle. As usual, in the practice video, there would be true or false, then there will be some solution and stuff. And after this practice videos for this topic, we're going to have a test. But this test it's not about, you know, you know what I did earlier, right? Like we have a lot of solutions. We even have multiple choices and true or false or something. Well, uh, we're not going to do solutions and true false. All right, what we're going to do is multiple choice. All right, because in this topic, we're just going to have a more likely a discussion and explanation about the unit circle. Because what we learn in unit circle, we're going to apply that in our right triangle trigonometry. Okay, which is the third topic of trigonometry. So yeah, that's like the topic that we're going to talk about triangles. Finally. All right. So without further ado, let's now begin. True or false? Reference angle is an obtuse angle. Reference angle is an obtuse angle. The answer here is false. Why false? Reference angle is an acute angle. Oh, acute angle, right? Not an obtuse angle. If you're going to recall, reference angle is an acute angle between the terminal what? The x-axis, okay? Next, all angles has their own reference angles. Wait, that sounds wrong. Angle, yeah. Grammar. All angles, I think, wait. I could be wrong in terms of how I, let's just say, put these statements in a wrong way. I like, what I'm trying to imply is I could be wrong in grammar. Okay, so forgive me. But anyways, let's proceed. All angles has their own reference angle. True or false? The answer is yes, it is true. Okay, it is true. All right. In the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant, whatever location they may be, there will be a reference angle. Okay, so it's true. Reference angles and coterminal angles are the same. Reference angles and coterminal angles are the same. The answer here is false. They are not the same. Coterminal angles, if you remember in our previous discussion, this one is basically about what? Angles that have the same location. Like for example, 90 degrees and negative 270 degrees. Okay? So 0, 90 degree here. And if we're going to rotate the terminal side in a clockwise direction, we have 0 degree, negative 90 degree, negative 180 degrees, and here we have negative 270 degrees. So here we see if the terminal side is at this location, it implies that you either have 90 degrees or other coterminal angles of it, such as negative 270 degrees. So these are what you call coterminal angles. Reference angle, on the other hand, is again an acute angle that is between the x-axis and the what? Terminal side. So for example, this is your terminal side. Okay, you rotated here to there. So what would be the reference angle here? Okay, so here, the angle here is your reference angle. So now you get the idea. Okay, so next, hold on. To find a reference angle in the third quadrant, you will add 180 degrees by the given positive acute angle. To find a reference angle in the third quadrant, you will add 180 degrees by the given positive acute angle. So what do you think? It's false. Okay? If you have an angle, positive, okay, positive, When you say positive, it implies that it is rotated at a what? At a counterclockwise direction, right? So you will have a positive angle. Okay? Wait a minute. No, wait. This is wrong, guys. Remove the acute angle here. Sorry, guys. This is wrong. Okay, forgive me. This is wrong. But yeah, positive angle, not acute angle. Forgive me. So anyways, yeah, you will add 180 degrees by the given positive angle. The answer is false. Rather, you're going to subtract that positive angle by 180 degrees. Subtract that positive angle by 180 degrees. Okay? So next. Okay? Remove the acute. Okay? Forgive me if I made this mistake sometimes. Right? So let's go. To find a reference angle in the fourth quadrant, you will add 360 degrees by the given positive angle. To find a reference angle in the fourth quadrant, you will add 360 degrees by the given positive angle. The answer here is obviously false. Because if you're going to add 360, what happens is that maybe you're going to form a what? You're going to form a coterminal angle. Okay? So here, if your angle, positive angle, is in the fourth quadrant, all you need to do is subtract the angle by the 360. No, that sounds wrong. You will subtract 360 by the positive angle. Okay? Let me repeat that. If your angle, which is positive by the way, is at the fourth quadrant, you will subtract 360 degrees by that given positive angle so that you will find your reference angle. So the answer here is false. And there we go. We're done. So now let's proceed to the second practice video.